I just want to get my shit together. Hit leg day and pretend that the Macca's didn't happen the other night. I've been absolutely loving like cheese and baked bean toasties. Good morning guys and happy Monday. Welcome back to a new weekly vlog. I feel like I haven't done these in so long. I did like a pregnancy vlog I guess, but I haven't just done your general health and fitness vlog for months, like literally since last year, which is just wild. So I thought I would bring it back today. The main reasoning is I just want to get my shit together, in all honesty. My fitness has been pretty good. I've still been training 3 to 4 times a week and walking most days, but my food, on the other hand, is a whole nother topic, a whole nother subject. And I have just given into every single craving possible. I always said before getting pregnant, I was like, I'm going to continue to be healthy. I'm not going to give into cravings. I'm going to be good, blah, blah, blah. I didn't know what I was talking about because I've literally been living off like party pies, sausage rolls, choc chip cookies. Hasn't been like terrible. Like I have been eating my normal like lunches and dinners, but I would just say like the snacks between all of that has just been not the best food choices, and I just don't feel prepared lately. I just haven't been putting in a lot of effort to meal prep and things like that the past few weeks, and I'm definitely starting to feel it. Yesterday I was so grumpy and I was like, I honestly think it's because the food you put into your body decides how you feel, and when you're not putting good things in there, I feel like you can just get really like agitated and annoyed and feeling down and anxious and all of that stuff. So I definitely want to start incorporating more fruits and vegetables and just healthy food into my day, because this baby needs everything that he can get, but I also need it. So I went for a little walk this morning. I pretty much do that every single morning, and now I'm just about to head off to the gym, and then I'm gonna go get some groceries and do a little meal prep. Let's go.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my do-do-do-do-do. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
So I've just gotten back from doing a mini grocery shop. Andy actually went to the shops yesterday and got like our main groceries for dinners and things, but I just wanted to go back and buy some stuff for my lunches and snacks. So this is just like a mini haul, if you will, although I did get quite a lot. First things first, I've got some pesto. That's not pesto, that's basil. Wow. I've got some bananas, some frozen peas. I've got 2 tins of baked beans. I've been absolutely loving like cheese and baked bean toasties. It's just like a random craving I've been having. So I bought 2 more of those. This is the most random haul, by the way. I've got some black beans for my lunches, some tinned corn. I've got this like marinade to go on my chicken. So basically for lunches this week, I want to make a GYG bowl. I crave GYG like no tomorrow, but it's not anywhere near me, so I need to try and make it myself. I've got the chicken for that, some Roma tomatoes, a couple of carrots, a tin of tuna. I actually don't eat tuna, but I need to make a recipe for a company, so I got that. Peanut butter, my holy grail. Got some jasmine rice, and then some beef mince. So that is what I picked up, and now I'm gonna make my burrito.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be
pineapple on my head. I'm just about to bake some muffins, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm putting in them. So you're gonna need some bananas if you wanted to make that, an egg, coconut oil, some maple syrup or honey, whichever you prefer. You're gonna need oats. I only have this much oats left, which is basically nothing. So I'm just going to use some self-raising flour as well. A little bit of stevia, baking powder, also chopped chips. Been a hot minute since I vlogged in the car, but I'm just at the gym now and I'm gonna do a workout. It's actually Friday and I have not vlogged anything since I think Tuesday or Wednesday. This has been a terrible vlog so far and I 100% apologize for that. I need to get back into the habit of like picking up my camera, and I think when I film like these type of health and fitness videos, I'm like not sure what to show. Like, do I show my normal life and vlogging as well, or do I only share my food and my workouts? But then I feel like it gets really like repetitive and a bit boring, so I just need to find my groove with the whole vlogging thing again. But yes, I actually haven't trained as frequently this week as I usually would, just because my puppy got a surgery the other day and I've had to be home watching her 24/7 because she's got stitches. So whenever Andy's not home, I have to watch her, which means going for walks and going to the gym haven't been top priority this week, but it's okay. I still feel like I've moved my body at least a little bit, and yeah, I'm gonna get my third workout in today and then maybe one over the weekend as well. So yeah, not too bad. Food wise, again, hasn't been the best. We had Macca's the other night. I didn't show you guys. I just pretended like it didn't happen. But I did have Macca's because one of my biggest pregnancy cravings has been French fries, and I just freaking froth Macca's fries. Like, is there anything better? Sorry, someone was watching me and I got really awkward. So I'm just tying my hair up now and I'm gonna go hit leg day and pretend that the Macca's didn't happen the other night. So I've just hopped out of the bath and I'm about to make us some dinner. I've just chopped up the potato. I'm sorry if you can hear my cat meowing in the background. He thinks he's hungry, but he's been fed multiple times. I've just chopped up the potatoes and popped them in the air fryer. If you do not have an air fryer yet, what are you doing with your life? Because I feel like they've been around for multiple years, but again, if you still don't have one, get on it. Best thing ever. And we're going to make homemade Nando's for dinner. So I've got the wraps. I'm going to cut up some chicken. This is the sauce we marinate the chicken in. Just the same stuff you get at Nando's. And you only need 3 other ingredients, or at least in the wraps that I get at Nando's. So I just got some normal light wraps, some iceberg lettuce, and then some mayonnaise. So yeah, this is just like a healthier fake away sort of meal. This is our go-to. I reckon we have it at least once a fortnight. It's delicious, and I honestly think it's better than Nando's itself. Bon appetit. Rating out of 10?
20?
Not bad.
Not bad, that's pretty good.
Guys, let me know if you're like eating a burger and chips. Do you have like one bite of the burger or the wrap or whatever, one bite of a chip? Or are you like Andy where you eat the whole burger first and then you finish on chips? Because I have to do both. It's the only way to enjoy food. And have a butt in your face.